Welcome back to QuizMeOut. We make quizzes smart enough for adults and safe for kids. You'll face 25 animal questions. Different answer, get 1 point. Same, get 0. At the end, a bonus question. Right doubles your score, wrong halves it. Stay till the end to see if you're the winner. Ready? Let's go. 1. Name a body part of a dog. Remember, the key is to avoid me. Nose. A dog's wet nose helps it catch smells, making its sense of smell extremely powerful. 2. Name something on a cat's face. Whiskers. A cat's whiskers are special feelers connected to nerves that help it sense its surroundings. 3. Name one thing you know about fish. Scales. A fish's scales have rings that show how old it is, much like the rings of a tree. 4. Name a body part of a bird. A bird's beak is made of bone with a hard cover, and it never stops growing. 5. Name one thing you know about rabbits. Long ears. A rabbit's long ears are full of tiny blood tubes that release body heat to cool it down. 6. Name one thing you know about hamsters. Will you avoid my words or not? Store food. A hamster's cheeks can stretch so wide that it can hold its own body weight in food. 7. Name one thing you know about cows. Eat grass. A cow's stomach has 4 parts, which helps it digest the tough grass it eats. Let's take a short break. Find odd one out. Hope you enjoyed the pause. Let's go on. 8. Name a body part of a pig. Snout. A pig's nose has a special bone inside that makes it extra strong for digging in the dirt. 9. Name one thing you know about chickens. Lay eggs. A hen needs about 26 hours to produce just 1 egg. Can you avoid my answer? 10. Name a body part of a horse. Hoof. A horse's hoof is made of the same material as a human's fingernails, just much thicker. 11. Name one thing you know about sheep. Give wool. The curly shape of wool traps a lot of air, creating a warm layer around the sheep. 12. Name something on a duck's body. Try to avoid saying what I say. Webbed feet. A special blood flow in a duck's feet saves body heat so they don't get cold in icy water. 13. Name one thing you know about goats. Horns. A goat's horns have rings on them, and counting the rings can show the goat's age. 14. Name a body part of a squirrel. Teeth. A squirrel's front teeth never stop growing, so they have to keep chewing to wear them down. 15. Name one thing you know about deer. Antlers. Antlers are very fast-growing bones that a deer loses and regrows every year. 16. Name one thing you know about bears. Hibernate. When bears hibernate, their heart rate can drop from 55 beats per minute to as low as 9. A little break before the next one. Find odd one out. All right, let's dive back into the fun. Name a body part of a fox. Ear. A fox's large ears can hear the quiet sounds of small animals moving under the ground. 18. Name something on a raccoon's face. Black mask. The black mask around a raccoon's eyes cuts down bright light, helping it see better at night. 19. Name one thing you know about turtles. Just avoid my reply. Hardshell. A turtle's shell is actually made of over 50 bones that are joined to its body. 20. Name a body part of a lion. Mane. A lion's thick mane protects its neck during fights and shows other lions how strong it is. 21. Name one thing you know about tigers. Stripes. A tiger's stripes are not just on its fur. The unique pattern is also on its skin. 22. Name one thing you know about elephants. Remember, the key is to avoid meal. Long trunk. An elephant's trunk has no bones, but is made of over 40,000 muscles, making it very flexible. Name a body part of a monkey. Hand. Like people, most monkeys have special thumbs that can touch their other fingers to hold things. 24. Name one thing you know about giraffes. Long neck. A giraffe's very long neck has only 7 bones, the same number as a human's neck. 25. Name something on a penguin's body. Wing. A penguin's wings work like flippers, helping it to fly very fast through the water. Humans can't breathe and swallow at the same time? Do you believe this is true or false? It's true. Humans cannot breathe and swallow at the same time because the airway closes when we swallow. That's the end. How many did you avoid? Let us know your score in the comments. For more fun challenges, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time on QuizMeOut.